Operations with integers and absolute value. We'll start with adding and subtracting integers. When we add and subtract integers, if they have the same sign, then you add and keep the sign. Different signs, you subtract and take the sign of the higher number. Absolute value, denoted by 2 bars, vertical lines, means the distance from 0. The absolute value of a number is always positive. So you always calculate the number inside the absolute value, remove the bars, and the number is always positive. Let's try a few of these together. Number 1, -5 plus a -7. The same sign you add and keep. So they're both negative, and we're adding them, so it's a -12. Let's try number 2, -10 plus 4. Different signs, subtract, and take the sign of the higher number. So 10 minus 4 is 6, and the higher number has a negative sign, so it's -6. Number 3, the absolute value of 5 minus 19. So we calculate 5 minus 19, so that's a positive and a negative. So you take the difference and the sign of the higher number. So the absolute value of 5 minus 19 is the absolute value of -14. We need to remove these absolute value signs, and when we do that, the number inside, we take the positive of it, so 14. And number 4, 6 plus 22. It has the same sign, so we're going to add and keep. So 6 plus 22 is 28. Multiplying and dividing integers. When we multiply and divide integers, the matching signs results in a positive answer. If they have different signs, it's a negative answer. The absolute value, represented by 2 vertical bars, means the distance from 0. The absolute value of a number is always positive. Keep in mind that an even number of negatives is positive, and an odd number of negatives is negative. Let's work a few together. Number 1, -3 times -4. So let's just multiply 3 times 4, which is 12. We have an even number of signs, so it's an even number, so it's a positive 12. Number 2, 8 times a -5. 8 times 5 is 40. I have one sign, so it's a -40. 9 times 3 is 27. I have one sign, so it's a -27. Number 4, the absolute value of 3 times 7. So 3 times 7 is 21. The absolute value of 21 is 21. Number 5, the absolute value of 90 divided by -10. 90 divided by -10 is a -9. The absolute value of -9 is 9. So remember to always calculate what's inside, and then when you're down to one number, then remove your absolute values of bars. Number 6, -45 divided by -9. Well, 45 divided by 9 is 5. I have an even number of signs, so it's a positive 5. Number 7, the absolute value of -60 divided by 12. So I'm going to first calculate a number for inside the absolute value. So 60 divided by 12 is 5. One negative sign, so it's -5. Now I can remove the bars. The absolute value of -5 is a positive 5. And number 8, -30 divided by -5. 30 divided by 5 is 6. We have an even number of signs, so it's a positive 6.